हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल लिव लाइफ विद जया। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ अच्छे होंगे, मज़े में होंगे। मैं यहाँ एकदम फिट एंड फाइन हूँ। और आज मैंने सोचा कि मैं अपना व्लॉग अपने सबसे फेवरेट एरिया से शुरू करती हूँ। सो आई जस्ट लव दिस फ्लावर, इट गिव्स मी अ पॉजिटिव वाइब्स। सो हमारे यहाँ बहुत ठंड है, इट्स सुपर चिल्ड आउटसाइड। So I just thought to after food, I just thought that कुछ मीठा खाया जाए, to have some dessert, and it's super chilled outside. So I thought that why not to share a instant super yummy chocolate pudding recipe with all of you. The best part of this is that there is a layer of pudding on the top, and in the beneath there is a chocolate sauce, which you all will enjoy a lot. तो मुझे और मेरी फैमिली का ये ऑल टाइम फेवरेट है. वी enjoy it so much. And the best part of this recipe is, Koel, can you say hi?
Hi, Mama.
Hi. And the best part of this recipe is it's hassle free. So I'm not going to use any kind of butter, or I'm not going to use eggs. So there's nothing that the bed butter, or you have to bring the butter or the egg into room temperature. So, and the best part is it's eggless, so everyone can make it. And me and my family just love it. Hope you all will love it. And do try this recipe. If you like it, then leave a comment section below. I would love to read your feedback, that how did you like it, or whether your family liked it or not. So let's go and bake a yummy chocolate pudding recipe. So let's go, let's bake. Koel, can you say bye to them?
Bye.
So to make the chocolate pudding, first I have added 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Into this I have added a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a good quality cocoa powder. I'm going to add into it. So these are my 2 tablespoons of good quality cocoa powder. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, then you can add white sugar, but brown sugar will give a good texture to the pudding. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, any vegetable oil जिसमें कोई माने flavor ना हो. This is flavorless, so I'm going to add this. And then slowly I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk. So I'll add milk slowly. So I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk. I'm going to mix everything slowly. बहुत ही gentle हाथ से इसको mix करना है. Don't over mix it. I'm going to add a bit of more milk. Once when I add the milk, then I'll let you know कि कितना मैंने total add किया है. I'm going to mix it up. Bit more. थोड़ा सा. सो टोटल मैंने इसमें 1 कप मिल्क ऐड किया है. 1 कप टू 3/4 कप के हिसाब से. सी जस्ट इस तरह का जब एक केक का बैटर, एक पुडिंग की कंसिस्टेंसी हो जाएगी, वहीं आपको स्टॉप कर देना है. मुझे टोटल इसमें 3/4 कप मैं कहूँगी मिल्क लगा है. आपको 1 कप भी लग सकता है, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर ऑल्सो. इस तरह का एक पोरिंग कंसिस्टेंसी का बैटर आना होगा. So once my batter is ready, now I am going to transfer it. ये मेरे पास एक 8x8 इंच का एल्यूमिनियम ट्रे है. इसको कोई ग्रीस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैं पूरे इस बैटर को इसमें ट्रांसफ़र कर दूंगी. ये देखिए कि मैंने पूरे बैटर को इसमें ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया है. मैं चारों ओर इसको आई जस्ट स्प्रेड इट आउट, टैप इट, एंड नाउ I'm going to add some chocolate chip over it. If you want to add, it's good. If you don't have, it's okay. But ये थोड़ा extra flavor add करेगा. And now I'm going to prepare the sauce, which I will pour on top of this batter. So into this same bowl in which I have made the batter, I don't want to waste all this batter. So what I'm going to do, into this, first I'm going to add half cup, 1 cup, 1 cup plus half cup very hot water. I'm going to add into it. It should be very hot. Then into this I'm going to add 3/4, into this hot water I'm going to add 3/4 cup of white sugar. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and then into this I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of good quality cocoa powder. I'm going to make the sauce. So it's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, 3 tablespoon, and my last 4 tablespoon. And then I'm going to add a dash of vanilla essence. That's it. Now I'm going to stir everything very nicely until the sugar is nicely incorporated. So अच्छे से I'm going to whisk it. शुगर जो चीनी है ना वो अच्छा सा गर्म पानी में डिज़ोल्व होना चाहिए. सो यही आपका जो है सॉस विच इज़ रेडी. सी डन. So as you can see, it's something, the sauce is ready. So I'm going to keep it aside, and now I'm going to take this my tray in which already I have transferred my batter. Now into this batter I'm going to pour this sauce, but there is a method of pouring it. What I'm going to do, I won't pour it directly. So I'll just take this, I'll just keep a spatula in the middle, और धीरे से slowly I'm going to pour. I won't pour directly, I'll pour slowly, and I'll pour through with the help of spatula. So it's done. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it inside my oven. I'm going to bake it at 350 degree Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, and once it's done I'm going to show you. So guys, my pudding is out of the oven. It took me 30 minutes to bake it at 350 degree Fahrenheit. So now I'm going to show you how it will look. So guys, my pudding is out of the oven and I'm going to show you can you see the magic कि on the first place जब मैंने इसमें sauce डाला था, so अब क्या हो गया कि सारा sauce, when you just baked it, the batter came on upwards and the sauce is beneath it. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to break a slice. See, this is so moist. This is something like this, and the sauce. Just I'm going to pour this on top, drizzle it. So either you can eat it like this. My best part is that I am going to add I'm going to add a dollop of vanilla ice cream on its side. See. So as you can see this, I'm going to do a taste test. ऐसे तो I'm having it with ice cream, but you don't need anything, and it is so moist, and that chocolate sauce. Do try this, guys, otherwise you're going to miss something seriously.
I'm eating my food, then I can have that.
Yeah, after eating her food, she can have this. So please do try this. I think you and your family will definitely love it. and it's very simple. You just saw that with minimal ingredients I did this, and the best part is it's eggless. So anyone can who is allergic to egg, or anyone can prepare it. So my family loved it, and I hope you and your family will also like it. So please do try it, and thank you so much for the people who already subscribed my channel. Thank you so much, and the people who are still watching me and didn't subscribe, please do subscribe my channel, so that once whenever I'll upload a video, you will get the notification. And till that time, I'm enjoying it. So, and you, till the time you prepare this recipe, enjoy with your family. Thank you guys. Bye bye, and spread lots and lots of love. Bye.
And guys, and